Is dropshipping in the US possible for people who don't live there? The short answer is yes. However, if you want to know how and why, check this out. Welcome, dropshippers! If you already have experience with e-commerce, you already know the answer to this popular question. On the other hand, there are many beginners among you who would like to know more. In this video, you will learn important facts about US dropshipping and receive some of my best industry tips. So, make sure to hit that like button for good luck and let's get straight to it. Why is eBay dropshipping in the US possible and profitable? For starters, eBay does not restrict sellers from other countries. As long as you have a genuine account, you will be permitted to sell your items to American customers without any problem. If your store has a good reputation and you treat your customers with respect, you can dropship in the US from any country worldwide. Okay, what about profits? The US market is the best for both experienced and beginner dropshippers. This automatically makes it the most profitable one. Here is a fun fact. The United States has one of the best postal services in the world. This means that any state items are handled with maximum efficiency by transportation companies. Another thing that makes the US market ideal for dropshipping is the need for all types of items. There is a very high demand for low, medium and high ticket products, which means that you can sell almost anything there. You can choose from many suppliers that have many warehouses in the country. This means that products will also ship very fast. Now, I know what you're thinking. With so many buyers, you can expect a lot of issues, right? No, and that's the best part. Even the most common issues are rare. In fact, industry statistics show that 95% of all online orders are handled without any problems. But how can you make a profit if you live outside of the US? By using the competition to your advantage. You can always research other sellers and get ideas for your own store. How do you prepare your store for eBay dropshipping? The process of beginning your new business is easy. There are only a few steps that you need to take to get started. The first and most important one is to open an eBay account. Here is the important part. When you register, make sure to use your real name and address. This will prove to eBay that you are a real seller. After opening your account, you will need to read all the information eBay has regarding international sellers. Things like taxes, fees and other rules are different for people who live outside of the US, and you need to know them. After you have all the information you need, you will be good to go. Why do people think that selling in the US is difficult? For every e-commerce beginner, the idea of doing business in another country may seem impossible. For example, if the seller does not know English well, they will feel like it's more difficult for them to talk with their customers. Also, most new sellers don't know how to handle unsatisfied clients, complaints and other urgent situations. Making a mistake when managing an eBay shop is also something that scares beginners. After all, some mistakes can get your store banned or suspended by eBay. You can check out our channel and see exactly what we mean. The number one question: should you dropship in the US? Of course! In fact, we recommend it. Let's put it this way. Almost everyone in the US is used to ordering products online. Also, American suppliers are able to provide eBay sellers with a huge variety of products. When you combine these factors with an excellent transport system, you get the perfect e-commerce environment. If any of these things can be said about your own country, then you should definitely start and grow your dropshipping business in the United States. If you ask an experienced dropshipper what was the biggest mistake they made in the beginning, it will be not using software tools. When you open your store and it starts selling, the manual work you do for completing the orders will increase. The way to make things easier for you and your business is to use TrackerBot. The software will allow you to keep all of your client orders organized and will also automatically upload tracking numbers from your supplier directly to your eBay customer. You can check out TrackerBot in the description box and get your free 2-week trial. Thank you again for joining me in this video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and please tell us in the comment section, where do you dropship from? I'm Stan from TrackerBot and I will see you in the next one.